Good morning guys. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video guys is itatry natin yung binili namin kahapon na bread. Parang chocolate bread siya guys. So itry natin siya. So before that, i-check natin yung labas guys kung maganda. So i-check natin yung weather today. Tingin ko hindi siya umuulan ngayon guys. So i-check natin siya. Tara! May sun, guys. May araw ngayon, guys. Tingnan nyo. So, the moon is down. The sun is up. And the sky is blue. And the clouds is white. Alam nyo ba, bakit ang sky is blue nga? May reason ba yun guys? Scientific reason. So, doon sa kabilang building guys, nakikita ninyo. So, paglabas niya sa balcony, dito guys. So, alam niyo yung balcony dito guys, sobrang taas. Tingnan niyo. Hanggang half ko lang siya. Oh, tingnan niyo. Ang taas kasi niya. Alam niyo dito sa balcony na to, maganda sana kung hanggang dito lang siya, oh. Hanggang dito lang siya. Sobrang taas kaya niya, guys. Mas maganda kasi kaya mataas yung balcony nila dito kasi mostly sa kanila may mga anak. So, ayan. So, yung kapitbahay na, minsan guys, nakikichismis ako dito. Meron tayo, kasi nakikita mo yung ibang building dito sa labas, oh. So, tingnan natin yung weather. And guys, sa kabilang building guys, pwede ka makachismis kasi makikita mo. Tingnan mo, doon yung parking nila, makikita mo dito. So, ayan yung sky guys. So nice. Blue, very blue color. So, ayan lang guys, na-share ko lang sa inyo. So, ang breakfast namin today is bread. So, ano siya guys, para siyang chocolate bread. So, itatry lang namin siya kung masarap siya. Tingin ko, ang gagamitin na lang namin isang bago. So, mukha siyang masarap guys. Kasi yung mga ibang bread, mukhang masarap, pero pag tinikman mo, di masarap. So, ito siya guys, oh. Ito yung itsura niya, at titikman natin siya kung masarap siya. Taran! Kaya siyang masarap guys, so tignan nyo. Super yummy! Looks so yummy! I will give you there in the room, baby. I just only make half. So, ito yung, ano niya guys, ito yung itsura niya. So, meron siyang chocolate, at saka, ewan ko yung, ano niya. Ganito yung itsura niya guys, oh. So, tikman natin ito. Parang vanilla siya. Mukha siyang masarap guys. I think it's look yummy. So, ganito yung itsura niya guys. Taran. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Kasi yung mga bread dito guys, minsan mukha lang masarap, pero hindi masarap. What happened? What fell down? So, ikakat natin siya. Baby, cut the bread. Cut the bread. No, baby. Because have paper, baby. So, siyang pinakakat ko guys kasi nagbe-video ko. Ang hirap. Because taking video too much difficult for me cut. So, ayan yung itsura niya. Look so yummy. What you think? Look yummy? You try it before?
No.
You never try?
No.
I like the bread that your sister gave to us before. What you call this bread?
Panettone.
Panettone.
This is the similar style.
So, ayan siya guys. Itsura niya. Ito, so yummy. You know how to bake bread, baby?
No.
You don't know how to bake? Siya guys, may papel siya. Kailangan alisin. Hindi naman kinakain yung papel. So, kasi mahilig kami sa chocolates. So, this is mine. So, ganito yung tsura niya, guys. What's inside chocolate also? So, meron siyang ano dito, guys. I think it's chocolate. Look tasty, the chocolate. Ayan, guys. So, kumukuha rin siya sa sarili niya. What you think?
Good.
100?
Like the...
Why your bread is different than my bread? Look, have mayonnaise.
Hey, what?
Same like condensed milk. Look, you see?
Sorry. You charge for that. Sorry.
I changed, baby. I put condensed milk also for me.
Sorry. My.
Yung bread niya kasi, guys, parang may condensed milk. Sa akin, wala. So, I have also, baby. The other side don't have, but have. Yes. So, meron din siya, guys. Ayan, o. So, tikman na natin siya. So, habang nanonood kami ng TV, gusto namin itong kainin, guys, habang nanonood kami ng TV. So, meron pala siya dito sa may side. Hindi ko nakita. What you want, milk?
Milk. I'm babe. I need drink milk.
Oh. So, mahirap kasi mag-video, guys, pag ano, nagka-cut ka ng bread. So, magbi-milk siya, magbi-milk din ako, guys. So, good morning sa inyo. So, ito ang morning routine namin. So, ginagawa namin pag umaga is, dahil weekend, wala siyang masyadong ginagawa, is, manonood kami ng TV at kakain kami ng bread, di ba? So, kakain tayo nito. Lagyan natin sa, look, so yummy. What is the taste? You like it? So, I put there, and I'll take the, I need make like this because they will see you. So, itong milk, guys, so hindi ko siya mahawakan kasi yung isang hand ko is nasa telepono ko. Ang hirap mag-vlog, guys. Todo hirap na. So, ayan, guys, naghahanap na siya ng movie. What movie we will watch? Because here in Netflix, there is no new movies. This is old. So, ayan, guys. So, kasi sa Netflix, walang masyadong bagong movie ba? Paulit-ulit na lang. So, anong magandang panoorin sa Netflix habang kumakain kami ng umagahan?